Are you eager to conquer your hectic mornings with a nutritious and convenient breakfast that not only kickstarts your day but also fits seamlessly into your busy schedule? Healthy Breakfast Smoothies for Busy Mornings is your gateway to a world of revitalizing smoothies that are as quick to make as they are delicious. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the art of crafting healthy breakfast smoothies that not only save you time but also provide the energy and nutrition needed to thrive throughout your demanding day. 1. The breakfast smoothie conundrum. In the opening paragraph, introduce the conundrum of breakfast, where busy mornings often collide with the need for a nourishing meal. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to starting your day with convenience and health. 2. Understanding breakfast smoothies. Begin by defining what breakfast smoothies are and why they matter. Describe how they are a blend of nutritious ingredients like fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and protein sources that offer a portable and customizable breakfast solution. 3. Nutritional prowess. Delve into the nutritional power of breakfast smoothies. Emphasize how they can be packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, providing a well-rounded meal in a single glass. 4. Quick and convenient. Explore the quick and convenient nature of breakfast smoothies. Discuss how they can be prepared in minutes, making them perfect for busy mornings when time is a precious commodity. 5. Energy and satiety. Highlight how breakfast smoothies provide sustainable energy and satiety throughout the morning. Explain how they can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce mid-morning hunger pangs. 6. Customization and flavor. Share the joy of customization and flavor exploration in breakfast smoothies. Discuss the endless possibilities of ingredient combinations, from green and protein-packed to sweet and fruity. 7. On-the-go options. Discuss the versatility of breakfast smoothies as on-the-go meals. Explain how they can be prepared in advance or even taken in a portable container to accommodate your busy lifestyle. 8. The long-term smoothie habit. Conclude with the idea that incorporating healthy breakfast smoothies into your daily routine isn't just a temporary fix, it's a lifelong commitment to a convenient, nutritious, and energizing start to your days. Encourage readers to embrace this habit as a long-lasting approach to a healthier and more efficient morning routine. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the art of crafting healthy breakfast smoothies but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their daily routines, ensuring that they can savor the benefits of convenience, nutrition, and sustained energy as they conquer their busy mornings. Healthy Breakfast Smoothies for Busy Mornings is a journey into a world of culinary efficiency and well-being, where every sip becomes an opportunity to enjoy a more balanced, nourishing, and productive start to the day. So, let's embark on this breakfast smoothie journey and discover the remarkable benefits it offers for your morning routine and overall health. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.